Welcome to Devices Setup channel, where we help you resolve issues related to different devices and gadgets. And today we will set up TP-Link RE220 Wi-Fi extender. There are three ways to set up this extender. First, it is via browser. Second is via WPS. And third is via tether app. So let us start with browser setup. So first and foremost, plug your TP-Link extender near your router and wait for the power LED to turn stable. Now, on your phone or computer, go to the Wi-Fi list and look for TP-Link_extender network name. You need to connect to this network. Once connected, open a browser on the same device and in the URL or address bar type 192.168.0.254, or you can also type tplinkrepeater.net. This is the TP-Link RE220 default IP address. So on the setup page, follow the on-screen instructions and then it will ask you to choose the network name that you want to extend. Here, it is simply asking you to select your router's network name or SSID that you want to extend. So put its password for the confirmation and just save the settings. Now, you will be able to see the newly set up extender network name in your Wi-Fi list. By default, the extender network name will come up as your home network name underscore ext at the end. So this ext at the end signifies the extended network name. And by default, the password will be same as your router's Wi-Fi password. The next method to set up the RE220 TP-Link extender is via WPS. And in this method, you need to place the extender right next to your router and the board should be plugged in. And then you need to press and hold the WPS on the extender for 2 seconds and press and hold the WPS on the router next for 2 seconds again. You should do this within 2 minutes. So this will help you set up your extender. The third method to set up RE220 is via TP-Link Tether app. So download and install the Tether app first. Now go to the Wi-Fi list and connect to TP-Link_extender. Now exit settings and open the Tether app. Follow the on-screen instructions, like it will ask you to select the network name that you want to extend and type its password for confirmation. So you just need to follow the on-screen instructions next to complete the setup. So this is how you can set up your TP-Link extender. We hope you find this video useful. In case you need any further assistance, then you can get in touch with the TP-Link official support link that is provided in the description. Do kindly hit like and subscribe button, it will boost our confidence. Also, if you want video on any specific topic or device, then do let us know in the comment section. Also, we do provide independent support, so if you need help with any device, then you can get in touch with our representative on our official website devicessetup.com. I hope you have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you so much.